Hi everybody, I'm going to do your knowledge check for this week for lesson 4.1, and the lesson was at the beginning for solving for y. When we graph equations, we want to make sure that they're in the form y equals mx plus b. These equations are not in that format. X's and Y's need to be separated. So we're going to follow these steps. We're going to be collecting again. We're going to collect to separate though. So we want our Y's on the left and our X's on the right. That would be preferable. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to undo this 2x by adding 2x to both sides. You cannot combine these two because this is an algebraic term and that's a numerical term. So these cancel, and now I'm left with 3y equals, I want to write my x term first. So 3y equals 2x plus 9. My second one is to isolate the y variable by dividing every term. So I'm going to divide every term by my y coefficient, which is 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Well, 3 divided by 3 cancels. 2/3 right here, that is going to be our slope. So we have y equals 2/3 and then x, and then 9 divided by 3 is 3. There is our equation in slope-intercept form. So for our second one, we have 10x plus 2y equals negative 12. We're going to collect again to put our x's on the right. So I'm going to subtract 10x. I'm going to subtract 10x. Again, these cannot be combined. These cancel each other out, and I have 2y equals negative 10x, and then I got to make sure that I keep this minus 12, so minus 12. That negative 12 turns into a minus 12. Then my second step is to divide everything by my y coefficient. So I'm going to divide everything by 2. That cancels, so I'm left with y. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5x. And negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6. All right, for this last one, x and y's are on the same side. I'm going to collect my x's on one side. Again, these cannot combine. So now I have negative y equals 3x minus 7. Well, remember, if there's nothing there, it's understood to be a 1. So I'm going to divide everything by negative 1. That cancels, and I am left with y equals negative 3 divided by, positive 3 divided by negative 1 is negative 3x. And then negative 7 divided by negative 1 is positive 7. So there's your knowledge check for this week. I will see you on Tuesday. If you had problems with this, sign up for an appointment on the calendar on Canvas. Thank you. Have a great day.